Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be playing some Flee the Facility, and yes, I'm sick. Well, I'm not sick, but I haven't been myself for the past day now. And someone's getting captured, so let's go and save. And yes, the update has been finished, which is sad, and hopefully we will get a summer. Oh god. Oh no, I'm hit. Help me. I'm eating some Pringles. Yum. So let's hack this. Oh no. Is that Mariah? Yeah, I think that is Mariah. She got captured, guys, so let's go save her. Oh no, man. Oh my god. Oh! What? I think I still have to talk to that. No. Alright. Excuse me. And I just got back from the hospital. They have done bloods and ECG. I'm not gonna go in fully detail of that. That's private. Like they check your body. Go in there. Yeah, and I died, sadly. Congratulations. Sorry if I have not introduced myself properly. So my name is tashana Ray, or T-Ray, or Tash, or Shana. Well, everyone calls me Shana, and I don't like people calling me that, but yeah, if you want to follow me on Discord or TikTok or Instagram, or Snap, or on Roblox, my username is MissRay31. It's up here, as you can see. Yeah, I might introduce myself and make a face reveal with you guys and be talking about myself and what I do in my life. So I practically go to school, and I am a 10-year-old year 10 student, and I'm a 15-year-old teenager girl, and I have so many favorite hobbies. I have swimming. I love making friends online, even in real life. Well, practically my friends don't talk to me in real life, but let's not get into that. Yes, this is currently about myself, and I'll be making more videos in the future with my dad. And yes, he's a very hard-working man, as you can see. We'll be one day making videos together, me and him. Yes, he's my supported dad, and yes, you guys got it all correct. I do have special needs, and I go to a special needs school, and I might look short than other people, but let's not get into my abilities. It's fine. Yeah. This is me currently in Flee the Facility, my favorite game ever. What I most like to do is play games and go to school, but I do go after school club as well, and I would love to make friends around the world, like China, Korea, especially China, because I love them. Even if I sound like this, I sound really sick right now, but yeah. So I'm gonna be introducing myself. What I do in my daily life, I just I do have special needs, and that's called Cancer syndrome, which is a new disease that no one knows about. But my personal doctor is, I'm not gonna say his name because that's not saying that. He knew me and my brother since we were born, me and TJ. Yes, TJ had the same disease as me. So we both had the same disease as each other. He was like kind of my rock and my play partner, but unfortunately he passed away when he was 6 years old and I was 5. He was just 1 year older than me. Yes, but I am strong for him because he didn't survive his condition. But I'm still happy that he was with me before he went. If you can't tell that I don't have a great relationship with my mom, I would say, but it's fine. Yeah. So normally I like to go swimming, but we practically go on like we have hospital trips up and down to Great Ormond Street, but I won't be going there anymore because I'm gonna be turning 18. I don't know when, like time, because now I'm 15, about to be 16 this year. So yeah, yeah. Let's play the game now. And I may survive. Excuse me. Again in the facility map. I'm in school map, which I don't like school. Well, I do like school, but my friends can be a bit, yeah. So let's look for it. Let's look for a computer. Okay, sorry. Okay. So if you want to search my YouTube channel, it's pretty simple. It's Princess Tash. I will link that below my description box, and yeah, I'm gonna do my social media as well. I don't really go on TikTok or Instagram that much, or Snap, only if my friends are playing. But oh, one of my friends joined finally. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back and Wyatt is playing with me. He uses voice chat. He's my school friend. Yes. So, oh my god, I did not recognize that the beast just spawned there. Okay. Oh, let's see if I can. Oh. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with me today? I can't even. Oh, this is annoying. Okay. Let me. Oh god. Okay. There's a computer over here, so let's hack it real quick. Let's try to make it silent. Oh my god. Run. Run, 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 run. Oh god. I don't know what he's doing, but dude, can I? Okay. That is it. Oh god. that's just it for introducing myself. But next time I will introduce myself properly, and yeah. But right now I'm hacking in a brown house. Yeah. If you can hear that, that's my friend Wyatt from school. And I do have other friends, but I think they're busy right now, so let's go and see if Mercury, Saturn, I don't know. He's put in a maze, which I do not like putting people. Oh, it's a girl. Okay. No, Wyatt. Yeah, my friend got captured by the mystery beast. How dare he capture him? He's just coming back because he hasn't played this game in a while, even that I'm not either. So, oh my god. Go and save him. Thank you, thank you, thank you. There's two lovely princesses. Going to save my gentleman Wyatt. Yes. Oh no. One of the princesses is captured. Not good. I haven't hacked no PCs because this beast is. Okay, let me go and save one of these little nice princesses. Oh god. Probably not because the beast is right there and he's. Yeah. Okay, let's save her quickly. Quick, 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 quick. No! No! Oh my god. Why? You have to come and save me. He's taking me somewhere else. Oh my god. How mean of you. Ah! Why? Why does it have to be me? I'm so sad, y'all. It's the maze. Come and save me. Somebody. Thank you. Thank you so much, Wyatt. You're like my sunshine. Should we save? Come on, let's go. Okay, he's following me, guys. Yes, I'm making a YouTube channel, by the way, if you don't mind. Oh, he's following me. That's nice. I never seen my friend. Wait. Stay back. Where you going? Wyatt! This boy. Anyways, let's go. Ah! Oh god, run. Okay. Sorry if I'm talking while I'm using my voice chat, because I'm just talking to my friend Y over here, and the beast is coming this way. No! Oh my lord. Okay, sorry about that. I was trying to help Wyatt because he has it on. I see Wyatt. I can literally see his arm. Don't camp, bruh. Don't be camping. Thank you, Wyatt. You are such a gentleman. I really love you. I need to hack some PCs. I cannot be just... Oh my god. Okay. I'm turning off my voice chat for now. Because... yeah. Hey Wyatt. You look so handsome today. Just imagine. He was like, he called me and be like, hi Tashana. Or Shauna. I don't know why people call me Shauna. It's just, no. Because we have a girl in our school named Shauna, and it doesn't quite my liking. And I keep telling my dad, stop calling me Shauna, because my real name is Tashana, not Shauna, but... Okay, let's go this way. Good idea. Wait. Okay. Have you guys finished my PC? Okay, thank goodness. Ah! Why? No, don't get caught, please. Oh my lord. Why after me? Go away. Maybe I can just... Can I chill him a little bit? Ah, my god! What? That's impossible. Oh, nice broken hammer. Why are you hiding in the locker, girl? Get out. Can I hack a PC? Ah! Oh my god. This is kind of my funny moments. Because I don't know what the beast is. Ah! I'm gonna stop. This way. Run! Hello. Ah! What? Yeah. Why me? Okay. Before you go start so kid. Stop away! No! Okay, I just said absolutely rubbish. Okay. Just enough fingers for now. Okay. Where's Wyatt? Wait! Oh my god. Oh no. Is he okay? I'm gonna go and check up. Nope. The girl is literally just about to say bye-bye. No, actually decided bye-bye. Let's save my... Oh. Okay, why did I close that door? Okay, now I need to do this. Come on, come on. This way. Good boy. Oh my god. Okay. Run. Actually, run. Okay. Come on, come on. Open, open, open. Go, 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 go. Jump, 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 jump. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, we did it. Woo! We did it. GG. Yeah. Well done. Wyatt. Well done. By the way, I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, I do. And I'm gonna post this after. You wanna see it? I have... Yes? Can you read? Or no? Yes or no? I'm just asking. Oh. Okay. Alright then. I'm gonna, yeah, finish this. You were the first one in my video, you know, Wyatt. Because all of my other videos was just random people. But now I have you here as my best friend. At least he can hear me. But I'm going to turn it off because I'm making a video and, yeah, recording. So, and by the way, I'm the beast. Yeah. He can't say yes or no. Okay, so I am the beast. The beast. Let's see if I can get everybody, which is my job to do. So let me just... Okay, gonna turn off my voice chat. Because, you know... Hey, Wyatt! Boom. I'm so sorry. I know you just came back, but no way. Oh no, he's gonna look for revenge, but it's okay. Oh, I hear some people. I hear some people in here. No one here, no one here, okay. I think I see some. Oh, he's sad. Don't be sad. Listen, when you're like leveling, well, I have to play the game fair, my love. I'm sorry. Bro, this guy's lagging. Okay, what? Oh my god, he's literally lagging. Look at oh my god. No, for real, he's actually lagging. Yo! Wait. Oh my god, what did you do? Wait. I can't even. Wait. Bro! What? Oh my god! Okay. This did again. Wow, congratulations, y'all. You're gonna stay there. Okay. I see. Yo! Lag. Whoa. Finally. I'm here, why? I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. Hello? Oh my god, it's lagging a lot. Oh my god. It's actually lagging a lot and I feel so bad. I'm gonna wait for her to get up because I think she's gonna get up like in 3. And she's AFK. There's no point if she's AFK for me. Yeah, you're hit because you're AFK, dude. Like, seriously, like, come on, be so funny. Oh my god. Yo. Ah! I know. He's literally following them. I know they're going to save her, so I'm gonna go this way. Wait. I need to be quiet for a sec. Okay, that's interesting. Swift. What? Then, wow, you guys are so. They think they're so. Wyatt, don't test me, but I'm not trying to target it. I don't know how to do No. Okay, get you, because you're almost done with your health. And where's Mr. Wyatt? Oh god. Dude! Okay, you down. My gracious. Whatever. It's just a game. Oh wow, he's mad at me. I think he's mad at me, guys. I think my friend is mad at me because I captured him. But he can hit me if he wants to. Well, I'm the highest level in the game, so yeah. But this was the computer that he was hacking, but he didn't get to finish it. Sadly. Sadly, poor boy. Oh god. Ah, this guy thinks she's slick. Interesting. I feel really bad for Wyatt. I think he's gonna level up to 4 and then 5, so he's getting good. He still knows the map and everything, but I think he doesn't know how to hit. Oh my god, where is she? Where is this little girl? Break. Yes, I'm still not my 100% myself. Ah, there you go. Thank you for messing up, darling. Thank you for messing up my darling. Oh. I knew that she was gonna come over here and then He says yes, no, yeah. Oh my god. There's three. There's actually three. There's one and then two. Excuse me. And then three. A tree, I think. Okay, I thought there was gonna be four, but actually there's three. So let me have a look around. If there's okay. And yes, I'm really sorry for not posting lately. It's just because I have not been feeling really well. Well, I can still record, but I don't feel like recording. Yes, I don't know where I get this cough from. Or, oh my god. This girl is gonna give me one big headache. Actually, are you gonna keep on messing up so I can just go over there and you just disappear? I don't think so. She thinks she's so slick. I just saw her. Okay, I need to keep an eye on her because she's gonna go upstairs in the middle and then come back down here and hack our PC. So I need to keep a real eye on her. Like, I like seriously. Oh my god. Okay, worked. Thank goodness. Phew. Okay, let's see if she's here. Nope. Bro, there's literally 3 computers that you have. Young lady. Oh my god. Yo. Ma'am. What? I don't know how I got her. That is literally impossible. I don't know how I got her. Okay, GG, I guess. I bet she's complaining. She's like, how did you get me through the game? Well, that's how the game was, my love. I'm really sorry, but I'm not sorry because you have been a bad girl today. You have been running away from me, which you shouldn't be. Yeah. Yo! Let's go. I'm so happy. And I think I'm leveling it up to 200, y'all. And I'm so sorry. Wyatt, I'm sorry. It was my job to capture you. I'm sorry. Oh no, I think I'm gonna be dead when I'm back to school. Because, yeah, he would chase me. Oh no, don't cry. I'm sorry. Don't cry. Okay, he just walks away. Bye. Oh no. Huh? Adam? Did you do that? Oh my god. Right, please forgive me, okay? Listen. I won't do that ever again, I promise. Okay. Oh no. Okay. I think he won't forgive me, guys. Sadly, he's the beast. Wait, I'm gonna say I am sorry. I won't do it again. I'm sorry, Wyatt. I have to do it. What do you want to do? Just let you live? Well, it's a game after all, so. Oh my god. He's the beast. I think he's gonna get revenge on me because it was my job to kill him, okay? Oh, captain. Oh no, he's ready here, guys. I think I'm gonna make trouble. Oh, Diana! Oh no! You got someone No. He would know. I was A-okay. He can't read, my love. Oh. He's really getting everybody today. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Run. Save. Okay. No, I was A-okay. You don't have to be. Damn, okay. He's not playing around anymore. He's a boss type, guys. Oh no. Bro, what is he doing? Camping? Oh no. This is what he does when he gets mad in the game. He camps. It's fine. How can you not? Hi. Okay, there's no PC here, but okay, whatever. Bye. Goodbye. Diana! Oh my god. Why listen to me? Okay, let's go run, everybody, run! God! Oh no, he's after me. Bruh, I need to hack. I don't know what I'm doing, having captured party. Oops. I need to hack a computer. They can do their business while I hack my business over here. Oh my god. David is captured. Oh god. Oh my god. He's not messing around with nobody today. He's literally serious. He got that mafia type mode on. Seriously, I like people like that. Oh no. He's coming. Huh? Okay, he went bye-bye. Yay. Any more computers? Okay. Okay, literally looking for around everybody, absolutely for everybody, but bro, why did you go there? You're stupid. You're really stupid, girl. Because my friend is over there, and yeah, he's gonna beat your ears. Actually, he's gonna beat your bum, matter of fact. Someone messed up, which is sad because he's gonna be on his way over there very soon. Hey, oh my god, she looks really cute. Or he he is really cute. Oh, okay, he's going away. Okay, right. Oh, never mind. Oh, we was to get me. Oh my god. We're not doing this, mister. Oh, he's so... Oh. I am really sorry. I was ready for that. He said, no. Guys, this, my friend captured me. I'm sorry. He's not even talking to me because I catch you guys. Thank you. Oh my god. No! Okay. Hopefully that will work. Oh! Whoa! How did you do that? Okay, this boy has become a pro. He literally just hit through the door. Ah! Okay. No! No! Diana! Oh my lord. Hey bestie, bye. Oh. Okay. Oh. He's not playing around today. He's taking serious mode today. Look at Wyatt. He's camping. He gets like this when he's very mad. To me. Yeah. I don't know why. Thank you! Oh, Yoey. Oh. Oh my god. This boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh lord. Oh my god. What? What are you trying to say? Ah! Why are you? Oh my god. What is wrong with you, man? Are you a boy or a girl? What's up? Not you. Her or him. Wyatt, can I save? Why? Oh, I'm sorry. I won't pay you from now on. I'm sorry. Why are you screaming? My lord, I'm mother. That was not me. Go on then. Wyatt, listen to me. Do you want KFC? What do you want then? Money? Coke? You want me? Yes or no? Oh. My god is literally laughing at it. Oh my god. Stop laughing. You're gonna choke. You can literally hear you, even myself. Bye bye! Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Wyatt! Can you please forgive me? Since we're friends. Thank you! This guy said no. You're making me sad! Please, Wyatt! Wyatt! Please, I beg you! Oh my god. Oh my god, he's literally hiding in the locker. Calm down. Calm down and help me! This is gonna be a long round. Oh my god! What? Oh my god! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh! Oh my god! Wyatt, come on! I wasn't like this, Wyatt. Put the leash down. Put the leash down. What a mercy. Help me! Can someone get captured, please? No? Wyatt! Please don't camp. I beg. Go. Please. I will give you whatever I want. No. I will give you chocolate. I have chocolate. I have chocolate. No, seriously. I have chocolate. Thank you. Oh, okay. Oh, no, he's gone. Yeah, this is how my friend gets revenge, right? No! I'm gonna cry. Thank you so much. Run, 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 run. No! Oh, Crystal. Please open up the exit. He's on his way. Bye, Wyatt. Oh my lad. Oh my god, this guy's camping there. Exit, excuse me. Let's see. Just like a spy, you know? Oh, it's not me. Oh. Let's go run. Run, run, run. Bruh. My God went to the wrong exit. We're not even at that exit, boy. Oh God. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Run. Bye bye. Oh no. He's gonna kill me. I think I'm dead in real life, guys. Wow. Okay. Alright guys, this will be it of the video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and
Get that little head off of yours.
Ah! Thank you. Yeah, that was Wyatt. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on social media. Yeah. You can follow me on social media and on Roblox. So my username is MissRay31 and my avatar is this. And yeah, I have a Discord. And yeah, if you wanna add me there on Insta or on if you want to add me where everyone is added on TikTok, Insta, Snapchat, or anything like that, you can add me on there. And I have a YouTube channel named Princess Tashana. And if you want to search my YouTube channel up, yes, I'm new, but I know how to make videos already. And yes, this is gonna be my last round, guys. So yeah. By the way, this is my last round because I'm gonna post this. Thank you. And then next time, if my friends like basically join, and then I can just, you know, okay. This is the end of the video. Yes, meet in the tube. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yes, let me see this again. I have a YouTube channel and I have special needs, and it's called Candace Syndrome. And I go to a special needs school, and I am a year 10 student, about to be year 11, and I have it on my posts. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and YouTube. And I'm gonna send my link in this description box, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye guys, bye my lovelies, my princesses, and my prince, and every day and night wherever you are in Germany or in Korea, and I would love to make friends around the world. And God bless you, and stay safe and stay strong. Bye guys.